Yeah, this is Ron Israel. One important thing that I think you didn't mention is that what's the felony warrant for in Nevada? I mean, obviously, if we're talking a felony warrant for murder in Nevada, that's going to take precedence. A violent crime, even the new act regarding veterans, I think it's NRS 176, talks about non-violent crimes. In other words, the individual can go into the veterans program, the veterans court, under certain circumstances. So not knowing what the reason is that he was wanted in Nevada, to me is really important. If we're talking a non-violent misdemeanor and he's in a treatment program back east somewhere, why not let him stay in there until he's completed his program? I mean, violating the bench warrant here on a misdemeanor, sure, he has to come back at some point, but we're saving money by allowing him to be in a program somewhere else. That's a good thing.
A few years ago, I was appointed by Jack Howard. A few years ago, I was appointed by the State Bar as on the Judicial Selection Committee. And we met up in Carson City, and I studied the materials and the candidates' qualifications. I can tell you the best qualified candidate did not get out of committee, and the best qualified candidate did not get appointed by the governor. And so my experience, my hands-on experience is, it is political. I would agree with Ron. At the end of the day, it's all political. The people who serve, by and large, both the private citizens and the bar members are appointed. And it's a flawed system.
Lucinda Como. I would have to say that I do agree with both Jack and Ron in that the appointment process is political. You can't take the politics out of it. You're going to have them, whether the politics will be there, whether the judges are elected or appointed. But I do agree with the point that Ron made, and that is that I think ultimately I do value the right of the voter to have a say, and I do think that yes, the point is well taken that not everybody even knows they're elected representatives. So the argument that they would be unable to learn what they needed to learn about a judicial candidate, I don't think really holds water. So at the end of the day, I think yes, electing judges is not without problems, certainly, but I do think I'd rather err on the side of letting the voter have the right to elect a judge.